VEEA Stock Analysis and VEEA Stock Prediction. Easy to buy right now. Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. 150% up is just phenomenal. And from what I'm looking at, we don't have enough data. We don't have enough candles. This is just me thinking out loud here. I mean, obviously we can use with what we have for sure. What else? What are we going to do? If I look at it from a 15-minute chart, I have this good demand area. Now, just for context, all I'm using is a strategy that's previously delivered thousands of predictions, and I'm still going to stick with it. So, like, I want to see a decent double break, and only then this is something that I'll take higher. And guess what? I'm just going to confirm here, mark out the highs, and guess what? I'm just waiting. You know, you just waiting is what I do. And if the price does not give me the rules, then I'm not going to be buying. It's really that simple. Obviously, this is going to be moving fast since we are on a 15-minute chart. So I'm just going to put like a quick little wait sign and just simply wait. If you want to learn to achieve long-term consistent income without fear, all reviews are 5 stars. There's a 100% free course. First link in the description.